I hope to find a ton of wildlife, amazing coral reefs.
There is no underwater map I can download from Google, or there is no hiking trails you can just take from OpenStreetMap. It's all collecting it yourself and putting it together into a brand new way.
You could find new species here, because, well, nobody has ever looked for them, really. At this stage, no idea.
Imagine yourself being born on a boat on the ocean. One of the first things you learn is how to dive, even before you learn how to walk. Now everything is changing incredibly fast. Traditions, language, a unique way of living is at risk at being lost.